Here's some alternative words that can make our sentence unique and advanced. Part 3. Today we are going to enhance our vocabulary. Here we go. Don't say I don't know. Say no idea. Don't say I understand. Say got it. Don't say I'm coming. Say on my way. Don't say please wait. Say hold on please. Don't say I'm very sorry. Say I'm truly apologize. Don't say I'm very busy. Say I'm swamped. Don't say I'm going to sleep. Say I'm off to bed. Don't say thank you very much. Say thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.